Hello, YouTube friends. I want to say hello to all my friends in YouTube world. We'll get to that here in a minute, but in case you ain't never seen my camper, I'm sure you have. I've had it on a few videos. We were actually, I told you in the other video, we were at the meet up in the mountains. We were going to take the little camper, but we had to take a tent instead. And I wish we'd have took that, but it worked out good without it. But here's the little camper. Take a look at it. Yeah, we're going to get to that fried chicken here in a minute. But let me show you around here. I'll tell you what the problem was we couldn't take the camper. Because of the virus and they shut everything down, we didn't have the license plate. We didn't get the little sticker for it. If there's some of walking sticks. But the tent worked out pretty good. Our friend Donna, she gave us those mats right there. They worked out really good under the sleeping bag for sure. But we've been working on the camper today. The teardrop. Trying to get it ready for the fall meetup if we can. All depends on what's going on with the country there, but let's walk over here a minute. See what's going on here. Man, this chicken fryer is something else. I told you earlier, I got that in another video. I got that thing for $5. Turn that chicken over. Oh yeah. Chicken looking good. Heck yeah, it is. We're going to fry it right out here in the garage. You better know it. Yes, buddy. But there's something we got fried up. I got my own recipe for the chicken. I can tell you right now, my wife, Brenda, she can fry a lot better chicken than I can. But what I do is I'll soak that chicken in milk. Little piece of chicken breast there. Milk and hot sauce. And a bunch of other spices. Salt, pepper, little Tony's. Of course, we're going to fry it into Crisco. And then we'll season that flour up. We kind of bread that chicken. Let me show you here real quick. We kind of bread that chicken up in that flour. Like so. Man, I wish you could smell in here. That chicken smells good with all them spices going on there. They sure have kicked in. But I want to make a little video of frying the chicken up in the chicken fryer. That's what they call it, a chicken fryer for. Heck yeah. I hope you're enjoying your weekend, your Independence Day weekend. We cooked out yesterday on the grill. Had some chicken left over, and I marinated it there for quite a while in the milk and hot sauce and brought it out here and fried it. It's turning out great too. Anyway, there's the fried chicken in the chicken fryer. Let me say God bless to you. Thanks for coming by the channel and watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.